So we're just about to take off. We did our pre-flight checklist. We did the NAV Canada approvals as well, and we're about to take off and start our mission.
Taking off.
You can turn on the pump.
Starting the pump.
So we are just cleaning the windows right now, spraying raw water, and then we're gonna follow it up with some solution and rinse it off with some final DI water. It's a lot safer, faster, and a smarter way.
Instead of having to pull out the ladder.
Exactly, yep, and scaffolds. All right, David, you can shut off the pump. All right, we are going to land it